Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Introduction. We Indians are personally very clean people. We brush our teeth and take a bath every day and wash our hands before eating. We keep our houses spick and span. But when it comes to public places, as people, we are simply unable to keep our streets, railway stations, hospitals, or places of worship clean. This is the state of affair everywhere in India, including hundreds and thousands of villages, towns, and megacities, as well as in the streets of national capital Delhi. We maintain very poor civic sense or social ethics. No one else is going to do for us, but we ourselves have to bring the change. Civic sense encompasses unspoken norms of society that helps it run smoothly without someone else tripping on someone else's toes. Civic sense is all about having consideration of fellow human beings. It means being polite, showing consideration to elder, women, children, and disabled people, driving in one's lane without honking, throwing one's garbage in dustbin, and smoking only at designated places. Introduction. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Clean India Movement is a campaign by the Government of India to clean the streets, roads, and infrastructure of the country's 4,041 cities and towns with the ultimate aim of making our country clean from garbage. The campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is India's largest ever cleanliness drive with 3 million government employees and especially school and college students from all parts of India participating in the campaign. Aims and objectives. Swachh Bharat mission aims to involve each and every Indian from all walks of life in the mission of cleanliness. It is a mass movement that seeks to create a clean India. The objective of Swachh Bharat are to reduce or eliminate open defecation through the construction of individual, cluster, and community toilets. The Swachh Bharat mission will also make an initiative of establishing an accountable mechanism for monitoring latrine use. The government is aiming to achieve open defecation free India by 2nd October 2019, the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, by constructing 12 million toilets in rural India at a project cost of 1.96 lakh crores. Implementation. By inviting common people to participate in the mission, a sense of responsibility has been evoked among the people, with citizens now becoming active participants in the cleanliness activities across the nation. The dream of a clean India by Mahatma Gandhi has started taking shape. All education institutions were told to promote it. Outcome and benefits expected. People from all sections of society have come forward and joined this mass movement of cleanliness. Government officials to Jawans, Bollywood actors to sportsperson, industrialists to spiritual leaders, school and college going students, NCC and NSS cadets promoted Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, organizing frequent cleanliness drives, seminars, and campaigns for spreading awareness about hygiene through plays and music are also being widely carried out across the nation. Shauch Abhiyan. Shauch mission is aimed to construct individual sanitary latrines for household purpose. Shauch Abhiyan is a project within the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan which deals with toilets and bathrooms in the country. Benefits of Swachh Abhiyan. It is beneficial for the people living below the poverty line. It assists in converting dry latrines into low-cost sanitary latrines. It also provides facility of hand pumping, safe and secure bathing facilities, setting up sanitary stores, construction of drains for disposal of solid and liquid wastes. Contribution of NCC towards Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Prime Minister of India Mr. Narendra Modi awarded the National Cadet Corps for its outstanding contribution towards Swachh Bharat mission in the workshop organized by the Urban Development Ministry and Drinking Water and Sanitary Ministry. NCC, through its mass base in rural and urban areas, took up the task of Swachhta. Footing of total 5,80,000 cadets, the campaign was carried out pan India across 17 directorates, including more than 10,000 institutes participated. NCC cadets have been carrying out these activities as a part of social responsibility and community development. NCC cadets also inspired the locals to join in to make Swachh Bharat mission a great success. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is very close to NCC and gets it perform this activity as a part of social responsibility and community development of NCC curriculum. The activities carried out by the cadets were cleanliness drive at historical sites and mass pledge by cadets. The NCC also held awareness rallies, street plays, lectures, and seminars across the country. The cadets distributed public health material with the help of civil administration, cleaned statues of national leaders, and made posters to spread awareness about Swachhta. The Swachhta Abhiyan is very close to NCC, and the cadets perform these activities as a part of social responsibility and community development of NCC curriculum. The cadet took a pledge to devote at least 2 hours every week towards Swachhta. Conclusion: Civic sense is not just keeping about the roads clean and avoiding the violation of basic civil rights. It's about respecting one another, abiding by the law, and maintaining discipline in public places. A clean India would be the best tribute India could pay to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Conduct: Swachh Bharat Pakhwada, organized at directorate level, will form part of conduct for all cadets at school and college in the battalions. Summary: The Swachh Bharat mission aims to involve each and every Indian from all walks of life in the mission of cleanliness. It is a mass movement that seeks to create a clean India. The objectives of Swachh Bharat are to reduce or eliminate open defecation through the construction of individual, clustered, or community toilets. The Swachh Bharat mission will also make an initiative of establishing a accountable mechanism of monitoring latrine use. Contribution of NCC towards Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. NCC, through its mass base in rural and urban areas, took up the task of Swachhta during Swachhta Pakhwada. The National Cadet Corps has been a major part of Swachh Bharat mission initiative, and the NCC cadets have been carrying out these activities as a part of social responsibility and community development. The activities carried out by the cadets were cleanliness drive at historical sites and a mass pledge by cadets. The NCC also held awareness rallies, street plays, lectures, and seminars across the country. The cadets distributed public health material with the help of civil administration, cleaned the statues of national leader, and made posters to spread awareness about Swachhta. Be the change you wish to see in the world, Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.